7 things you can do to create happiness during the toughest of times. Upheaval drags everyone down. A crisis wears on a person, eroding mood and destroying optimism. As you go into survival mode, it becomes harder and harder to hold on to any kind of joy at all. Instead, your days are taken up with emotions such as worry, anxiety, depression, anger, frustration, and fear. It seems like a pretty rough time to find happiness, doesn't it? Yet more than ever, this is precisely when you need happiness most. It's a positive outlook and a great deal of optimism which is going to get you through these tough times, which means it's up to you to create this happiness as soon as possible. Why not try these tips? Take a walk. Physical exercise promotes mood in tremendous ways. Seize the chance to take a break for a few minutes when you can and step outside. Walk at an even pace, fast enough to raise your heart rate a little for the best results. Find a distraction. You can't focus on the crisis every minute of the day without driving yourself crazy. Occasionally, you need to give your brain a break. Try reading a book, watching a show on TV, doing a puzzle, or engaging in a hobby for a little bit. Eat something good. It's so easy to forget regular meals when you're in the midst of a crisis, but low blood sugar affects mood in negative ways. Also, if you're just grabbing snacks, junk food can make you lethargic and inhibit your ability to think clearly. As much as possible, try to maintain a regular schedule for meals and eat healthy. Fix something. Your world is out of control and can't be fixed easily. Help your mood by finding something you can correct and exert control over the situation. Why not do the mending you've set aside? Or do one of those little home repair jobs you've meant to tackle? Sleep. Lack of rest does affect mood negatively. Even in a crisis, you need to sleep. Stay on your sleep schedule as much as possible. Hang out with friends. It's not mentally healthy to isolate. Make time for friends, even if only for a short phone call. Touching base with people who love and support you will do wonders for your mood. Do something. Act. Nothing makes you feel more helpless than inactivity. It might be you're not able to do what you normally would during this upheaval. Instead, find the next best thing you can do and focus on that for 5 minutes at a time until it's done. Remember, happiness can't be forced. Some days you're just going to feel what you're going to feel. But by paying attention to your mood and working to improve it, you set yourself up for the greatest success.